As the first step for today, we will create two GUIs in the game, one for the coin shop and the other for the item shop. After you have inserted the model under Starter GUI, you can see that the model includes a frame and a text button. Move the text button, which will later open the shop, to the position where you want the frame's open button to be. I will change the background color and transparency, making the button look a bit nicer. I'll also add a UI corner to my button to round the edges, setting the corner radius to 0.25. As a second step, activate the visibility of the frame to make it visible. Then, position it at the desired location. I will change the color to match my button. Additionally, I will adjust the transparency of the title to enhance the appearance of my GUI. The Close button, as the name suggests, closes the frame. Also, position it at the desired location. I will further customize the appearance of the Close button to match my preferences. For this example, I'll change the screen guy name to Items GUI and the frame name to Items Frame. Add a scrolling frame to the Items frame by clicking on the +add button within the frame. Position the scrolling frame at the desired location. I'll move this frame to the center and effectively overlay it with the other frame by changing the transparency of the frame to 0.75. As you can see, the scrolling frame is now interactive and can be used. Now, let's add a UI ListLayout to the scrolling frame by clicking on the plus button. This will help list and sort the items that players can buy. You can customize how the items are sorted with the UI ListLayout. Please show me how you would set it up. You can set it up like this. The items will be listed horizontally from left to right. For demonstration purposes, I will show you the distribution using a TextLabel. However, please note that you'll need to use the Auto-Scale Light plugin to add constraints to the first TextLabel and scale its position and size using UnitConversion. This should be done for the first TextLabel.text button. I will provide a link to the plugin in the video description. And then you can duplicate the first text label, and the duplicates will be automatically sorted using the list layout. I'll just quickly rename the title to Items Title. Of course, you can do the same with image buttons. For this video, we'll be working with image buttons so that the player can click on the image to purchase a Game Pass item, for example. If you change the name of the frame from Model Kit, you must also modify it in the local script of the Open button. Otherwise, the shop will not open. You can do this by renaming Frame to Items Frame in the script. In summary, the script accesses the text button, as it is part of it with script parent. The script essentially instructs that the frame should be activated or displayed when the mouse button is clicked on the button. This is done simply with visible. Before testing it, you need to constrain and scale the position and size of all the elements within the screen guy, as shown earlier with the Auto-Scale Light plugin. However, this time, you will need to select all the elements. As you can see, the frame or the item shop opens smoothly. If you have any video suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.